In today's comparison, we have two formidable Middle European winter SUV contenders, the Continental WinterContact TS 870p, introduced in 2021, and the Hankook Winter cept evo 3X, which hit the market in 2020. Let's dive in and see which tire reigns supreme this winter season. Throughout this comparison, you'll see performance metrics represented in percentages, with the Continental WinterContact TS 870p set as the reference point at 100%. First up, wet performance. In wet braking tests, the Continental stops slightly shorter at 33 meters, which is a difference of 0.26 meters compared to Hankook. When it comes to handling on wet corners, both tires are remarkably close, with lap times just 0.4 seconds apart, with 73.5 seconds for the Continental and 73.9 seconds for Hankook. However, Hankook takes the lead in aquaplaning resistance. It holds its grip longer at 86.6 kilometers per hour, which is a 1.7 kilometer per hour more than Continental. In snow braking, Hankook stops 0.29 meters sooner than the Continental. It also accelerates 0.06 seconds faster from 5 to 40 kilometers per hour. However, Continental completes the snow handling lap 1.5 seconds faster, and in driver feedback, it scores 0.3 points higher than Hankook. In dry conditions, both tires perform almost identically, with Hankook stopping 0.09 meters sooner than the Continental. Handling is also a tight contest, with a difference of 0.01 seconds as Hankook edges slightly ahead. However, in terms of driver experience, Hankook receives a perfect score of 10 points for subjective dry handling, while Continental gets 9.5. For comfort, both tires are identical, but in noise levels, Continental is 3.5 decibels quieter compared to Hankook. Looking at rolling resistance, an important factor for fuel efficiency, Continental is ahead once again. It achieves a rolling resistance coefficient value of 6.5 compared to Hankook value of 7.5. So, which one should you choose? The Hankook Winter cept evo 3X shines in snow braking and snow traction. On the other hand, the Continental WinterContact TS 870p excels in snow handling, noise, and rolling resistance. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.